All right, this is one of those, it was around Christmas time and they were just giving stuff away online. They had too many of them or something. This is an Aneng BT171 that I bought super cheap. I mean, I wouldn't have bought it, but it was like super cheap and I couldn't ignore it. So it's just a battery tester. You put it on your battery and it tells you what's going on. But I thought we'd have some fun with it today. It's got some levels here for the battery and the alternator, and then it's got a digital display. So let's put some volts on it here. Where's my volts? I'll just put a lab bench on it, and we'll see what it does. All right, it's says 13.8 volts, and it says I have a good alternator. All right, I'm going to turn the voltage down. We'll assume the battery is just doing its thing. So 13.2 volts, it's saying that's a good full. We can kind of watch to see where it changes. Right there at 12.3, it says, your battery's okay. Oops, 11 volts, it says your battery's low. And then at 11 volts, it's saying, you got an empty battery. So it goes into low at 11.6. Goes into medium at 12.1. Goes into full at 12.6. Says your alternator is good at 13.6. And then it says your alternator is too high at 14.6. So yeah, I mean, I can believe all those numbers. They seem reasonable. All right, let's open it up and see how they've accomplished this thing. All right, there you go. It's got a little display board up here, and then it's got the little PC board here for the LEDs and numbers and stuff. So I suppose, let's go ahead and take this off. All right. Oh, okay. So this is just a display board. This is just a voltmeter. So all of the smarts and everything have to do with this board here. It's got all the LEDs. It has a reverse LED. I didn't hook up the battery voltage backwards, but it has a reverse. It looks like it has a bridge rectifier, maybe? Yeah, D1, bridge rectifier, and then a voltage regulator, and then a magic part, microcontroller that has all of those numbers built into it. That's all you really need these days, isn't it? You shouldn't be watching this channel, because you don't need to know any of that stuff anymore. All right, I guess I do some of that stuff. Yeah, it's a no-name part. Has no markings at all on it. So, but you can imagine if you were going to design this thing, you'd put in a Atmel, I don't know, tiny 14 or something. I don't know, just some kind of little microcontroller that can read voltages and do different things depending on what that voltage is. So the voltage is going to go straight through into the voltmeter. So that's just kind of a straight through shot there. This thing just has to do some comparators, right? Just a bunch of comparators, and it fires the LED when certain voltages hit. So that looks like it's pretty easy. All right, well, there you go. A little cheapy battery tester. It'd be nice if it had, I want one of those, like I said, I bought this one because it was just super cheap and I couldn't ignore it. But I would like to have one of those battery testers that actually loads the battery. It has like a big giant FFT in it that you can load your battery down with and to determine the health of your battery. So yeah, but this one's fun.